In this video, you are going to see how to make this creative welcome slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Now again go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let us write here welcome. Select the font, change the font to Montserrat extra bold. Now change the font size to 120. Now let us increase the text box size. Select the text and make it center and put the text at the center of the slide like this. This is perfect. Now I have to add another text box, or I can duplicate this one. Press this text box, press Ctrl D to duplicate. Let us select this text box, change the font size to 28 and place it over here, and let us write here to presentation. Select the text, go to this option, character spacing, go to more spacing and let us choose 20 point and click on OK, and let us adjust it. And this is looking perfect. Select the rectangle shape and hold down the Ctrl key, select this text box and select this one. Go to shape format, go to merge shape, click on subtract. Click on the shape, go to shape outline, make it no outline. And go to this option, format shape, go to fill, choose gradient fill. And let us choose this gradient. Choose this gradient, light gradient ascent 3. And from here let us choose this option, linear right. Now click on it, go to effect, go to shadow and let us choose this one, offset center. Now we have to insert an image. Go to insert, go to picture, go to this device. Let us go to download. I have generated an image using AI. Let us click on this one and click on insert. Then our image will be inserted. Click on it, go to animation, go to this option, animation style, and choose this option, grow and shrink. Go to animation pen, click on over here, go to effect option and go to timing and choose the repeat to until end of slide and click on OK. Now click on it, click on right button and send it to back, and let us make it with previous. Now go to transition and click on over here and choose box. Now let us watch the slideshow, and here you will see this is looking very perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.